Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to our channel ALP Talks, General and Electrical Aspects. This is your Lakshmipati. Today I came up with a very good topic about interviews. I am interviewing one of my colleague, my best friend, Mr. Janashekar, who is having around 6 years of experience in software industry. I'm going to just some general things, general aspects. I'm going to discuss with Dhanashekar. So you keep watching, stay connected, watch till the end, so that you can get more clarity on software world, what's going on, what technologies are there. You might have so many doubts in your mind whether it's okay to go into the software, which field is good. Like that, you might have so many questions. You just keep watch the video till the end. If you have any comments or questions, do comment in the comment section. Once we join into the company, they will give some training, right? On-job training, something like that.
Yeah, if you join, major MNC companies, they will provide us trainings. Even we got under the training for almost like 4 months.
Yes.
So even we got like we will have like different technologies in the software. Like we have Java, .NET, Oracle database. Then we have like now like emerging technologies like Python, AWS, cloud computing.
Okay.
So many things are there.
Yeah. Dhanshekar, did you take any coaching in institutions or any certification did you done for getting into your job into your company? Anything like that, or on your own you directly entered, went to offline coaching and you got this job? Can you put some words here? Because a fresher wants to know these things.
Sure. Like that's why if you are in the college itself, we will have like plenty of time. So most of the time, like even I wasted, like we have like 4 years. We will not even spend studying. If you take like Inter +1 and +2, so there it will be. If you join like Chaitanya Narayana, they will be like completely 24/7. They will keep us study. So if it's like that, then definitely we'll become like one more Ambani if we study for another 4 years in BTech. But no one will study like that in the next 4 years.
Oh,
So
why like that? I mean, people will study a lot up to 10th class. After that, for getting intermediate also, they will study a lot. Once they step into the graduation, I don't know. I see many people who don't bother about it. They will do one day batting for all the exams, and somehow, due to their aptitude skills or something, they will clear the all the written tests, and they will enter into the companies. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I also observed. Yeah, surely they will
yeah,
become money.
it again depends on the people. See, some people like those who are like multi-talented, so they will think like, okay, even if you are not studying for complete year, like if you study for 1 year, means like many people will have the intention like, yeah, if I study for 1 or 2 days, yeah, I can clear the subjects. But for entering into, see, if I'm studying like electronic, if I want to get into like any of the electronic jobs, yeah, then you should have a strong basics and fundamentals. So if my aim is to go like if I want to join any of the software company, so software companies, all these things are not required. Only thing is like they have to focus on the programming concepts. So they should have the logical and thinking capability. So if it is there, yeah, then we can get easily into a software job. So it's like if you're joining like BTech, so we have like two opportunities. It's like means not for CSC and IT people. CSC and IT people anyhow they will have only option to get into like a software job. But apart from that, like if you take any other department, like even if you take like mechanical, ECE, triple E, so these kind of people they will have multiple opportunities. One is like they can go directly into their core things. Other is like they can go get into software. Means apart from that, like even CSC, IT also they have different opportunities. But mainly these people will concentrate on these two things. So that's the reason like people will think okay like. Means at the same time like once if they get into like after completing +2, they will have some kind of freedom from the home, like from everywhere. So we have like 4 years of frames. Yeah, we can do anything. That's what like people will think, and they have the ability. Like everyone has the ability to do the things, but only thing is like they will just postpone. If they didn't postpone, like yeah, everyone will clear all the things.
Yeah, yeah, that's true, Dhanashekar. Yes, apart from that, for example, if any fresher wants to enter into any company, is this only this process, or any by references also he can enter into the companies? What you say on this aspect?
Yeah,
Generally, for
for a fresh.
experienced one who will take references. I mean, if you can refer your friend from any other institution or coaching company, if any requirement is there. Then what about freshers? Is it works for like that with references?
Yeah, like see, it's not only about the references. See, like as a fresher means when he entered into like his graduation, like yeah, while entering itself, he has to plan like where he want to enter. Means when entering into that, if he has a plan, yeah, definitely he will be succeeded. Means we should not wait till the last moment. We should not define our goals. Those who don't define, yeah, they will little bit like they will suffer because they don't have their predefined goals in their mindset. So what they will do, okay, they will time pass for 3 years. Okay, final year they will decide. Yeah, even if they decide in the final year also, yeah, that is well and good, because again they have to brush up on some C language skills. So if they brush up on those skills, yeah, they will get the job means very easily. Yeah, referral also like it depends. Means like when we are at the like final year, what we have to do is like to get the job easily from the final year. If the people just focus on like what they want to get it, they will get very easily, means before completing the final year itself. What they have to do is like they have to go to all the company's website. Like if you search in the Google itself, Infosys website, they will get it. They just need to sign in. Before doing this, they have to prepare the resume. What they have to do is upload resume in all the portals if they don't have reference. Even if they have reference, they have to tell them and they have to share the resume with that person. So if there is any opportunity, he will directly refer. So even if he is referring or not, only thing is like if we do these things, like if we select top 20 or 50 companies, if he list down, and if we upload all the places, yeah, definitely he will directly get a call from those company. They will schedule an interview for him. So like that also, like even I did like um, for Infosys here, not only Infosys, near to some 10 companies like TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, so Wipro. So these main companies, we just uploaded our resume. So like that, we will get the job like very easily. It's like we'll get a call from the company itself. Means after getting a call, it's up to us. Like we have to showcase our skills, then we'll get the job very easily.
Yeah, very nice information to all our audience, Dhanashekar. A very good tip you shared to us. We have some questions from different social media platforms. For example, whoever non-computer science branches are there, ETE or triple E or mechanical or civil like that, if they entered into the software field, how is their career growth? I mean, and compared to computer science stream students, they have a very good background of all the programming languages and all. They know everything. But non-computer science branch, they are spending the entire their BTech with their core subjects. Maybe at the end of the fourth year, maybe 5 6 months like that. Or otherwise, they after BTech 5 6 months like that, they may spending some time on all these software codings and all. They may be getting some knowledge, and then they are entering into the jobs, right? What you will say with respect to this comparison? Any differences?
Yeah, like yeah, sure. It's a good question because like many people, like as a fresher, they will have this mindset because we are fresher and we don't know any programming skills. But that is absolutely wrong because see, if you are computer science or IT student, it doesn't matter. See, only thing is for clearing an interview, they will not ask us to write some complicated logics and all. Only thing is like you will be having an aptitude round followed by only few companies like those companies, only very few companies, they will have the intention like they want to take only CS. That is completely different. Apart from that, there are like some thousands of companies those who are ready to take any kind of person, those who is capable of doing the things. So for those persons only, they is conducting this aptitude and technical and HR round. So if they clear all these rounds and if they get placed, so after getting placed, they will have very good opportunity. Like if they get placed into Infosys, TCS, these companies, so they will give their training. See, at the time of giving training, they will treat everyone as equal. They don't consider, oh, you are a CSC student or IT student.
Yeah,
They will not give the break.
this is what my question then, Srikanth. Whatever you
Yeah.
are seeing, after entering into the company, whether they will show any differences with respect to CSC branch or
No, there will not be any difference. So they will treat everyone as like means equal. There
okay.
is a of saying no, everyone are equal before the law. Like that, even every software company treat each student as
Nice,
they
nice.
know like it's equal. So that's why like they treat everyone equally, and they will start giving the trainings. In the training, it's completely to up to us. So I undergone the training also. Even I have saw like those who are scoring more percent and those who are learning new things. It's not like CSC students. Apart from CSC students, like we when I joined Infosys, we are like around a batch of 600 people.
Oh,
So
wow.
in that 600, I saw most of the people are from electronics background and triple E background, not much from CSC and IT.
Okay, okay.
And yeah, it's a combination of like all the branches it is there. So there we have to showcase our skills. Only thing is like if you put some effort to learn any coding language. So initially, first time if you are learning for the first time, if you are starting any language, yeah, it might take some time.
Yes, yes.
Means to learn the syntax, start coding, learning the basics. So all these things will take some certain amount of time initially. But later on, next time, if you want to switch to any other technology also, yeah, it's very simple because you already know the logic. If there is any logic, apart from if you leave the technology, if there is any logic, you know how to take the logic and write the program. So next thing is, only thing is you have to learn the syntax. That's it. If you learn the syntax, it will become you can easily crack that one. So like that, it will works out.
Okay, okay. I thought that for non-computer science branches, they may be giving
No,
non-importance work. I mean, maybe testing or something. I have that
no,
mindset actually. Very
no.
important,
It does.
hardcore, wherever very deep coding or complex tasks are there, they may be giving to CSC people like that. I thought.
No. That is completely wrong. Yeah, even I have one means like even I know one CSC student. She joined the software company and she doesn't want to work on coding because she does not like coding.
Yeah, yeah.
They
Some
want to be
depends on people also.
yeah. That's what like it's completely up to them like what to take.
Mhm.
Means like they have to undergo all the training. After that, like these companies, they will means like they will give there will be a concept of stream when we have joined. So in the stream they will allocate like if you have like 200 people, for 50 people they will give Java, for 50 people they will give .NET, for other people they will give like mainframes. So like that they will divide the batches and they will make them like completely they will train everyone in that technology, and after that they will deploy to the work locations. Means they will start like little bit so we can learn and at the same time we will have the seniors over there, so many people will be there to support us also in the company.
Okay.
So it's yeah, even if whatever you learning is different and working is different. So
Hmm.
at the time of work, definitely we need some guidance. So for that, like seniors or like experienced persons in the company will be there. Definitely they are supporting like everyone.
Yes, 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 yes. That's nice. If you're watching the video for the first time, then subscribe to my channel. Do watch all my previous videos so that you will get full clarity on all the stuff going outside world. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay connected, guys.